Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up from your phone to your cloud account. Log on accounts, Drive, store the house. This is my mobile phone folder. And I click on images. This will show all this on my phone. To back up this image as logo dig is a folder that contains image. I select all the images. Then in the three dot, click on three dot, click backup to Google Drive. Click OK to back up the files. Google Drive. This is the file being up. So this is my Google Drive folder. Double click on it. My all folder that have been created on your Google Drive by clicking on Drive. So if I want to back up the file onto one backup folder that have been created on my Google Drive, I select it, then I click select. This will back up all the file, or I can click a folder picture that sign to create a folder within backup folder as picture. This folder that I've created within backup folder. I select, click select. This will choose the destination of the image to backup to picture. Click picture, save. Backup to your Google Drive accounts. That's it. Click Drive app on. Backup all the image account. Drive Sync Drive app store. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to receive an update.